Hi everyone. Now let's meet with our new lesson. That is the Unit 1 in Grade 6 Pupils book. Our title is Hello. There is a role play. Do you know what is a role play? That means the dialogue between the characters. Okay, now let's see our role play. Let's start. It is the first day of the new class. The friends meet each other. That means, මොකද්ද පුතේ මේ කියන්නේ? It is the first day of the new class. ඒ තමයිලු පළවෙනි දවස of the new class. අලුත් පන්තියේ. The friends meet each other. යාළුවෝ meet හමු වෙනවා. Each other. එකිනෙකා. Right. How many characters in this role play? There are 2 characters. Who are the 2 characters? Sudeva and Yoga. Now let's start our role play. Sudeva said, "Hello Yoga, good morning." Yoga said, "Hello Sudeva, good morning." Is this grade 6A? Sudeva said, "Yes, this is grade 6A." Yoga said, "Great, that means I am in your class." Then Sudeva said, "Welcome to our class." Yoga, "Thank you. Are Vishmi and Akhil here?" Sudeva, "Vishmi is here, but Akhil is not. He is in grade 6B. Raj is also in our class." Yoga, "Oh, we will miss him. Where are the others?" Sudeva, "They are arranging the class." Yoga, "Shall we go in?" Sudeva, "Yes, let's help them." Right, this is the end of the role play. Children, now let's see the meaning of this role play. Sudeva කියනවා, "Hello Yoga, good morning." Yoga, සුබ උදෑසන. Yoga කියනවා, "Hello Sudeva, good morning. Is this grade 6A?" Yoga අහනවා සුදේවගෙන්, "සුබ උදෑසන. Is this grade 6A? මේ 6 පන්තියද?" Sudeva said, Sudeva කියනවා, "Yes, this is grade 6A." Oh, මේ තමයි 6A පන්තිය. Great, that means I am in your class. Yoga කියනවා, "විශිෂ්ටයි. ඒ කියන්නේ මම ඉන්නේ ඔයාගේ පන්තියේ." Sudeva කියනවා, "Welcome to our class. අපේ පන්තියට ඔයාව පිළිගන්නවා." Yoga කියනවා, "Thank you. Are Vishmi and Akhil here?" Yoga කියනවා, "ස්තුතියි. Vishmi සහ Akhil ඉන්නවද?" Sudeva said, "Vishmi is here, but Akhil is not." Sudeva කියනවා, "Vishmi ඉන්නවා, නමුත් Akhil නෑ." He is in grade 6B. ඔහු ඉන්නේ 6B පන්තියේ. Raj is also in our class. රාජ් ඉන්නෙත් අපේ පන්තියේම තමයි. යෝග කියනවා oh we will miss him. අපිට යාව මඟ හැරිලා. Where are the others? අනිත් අය කොහේද? සුදේව කියනවා they are arranging the class. එයාලා පන්තිය සකසමින් ඉන්නේ. arranging සකසමින් ඉන්නවා. යෝග කියනවා shall we go in? එයා අහනවා අපි යමුද ඒ පැත්තට කියලා. සුදේව කියනවා oh let's help them. oh අපි ඔවුන්ට උදව් කරමු. Okay children, now let's see the activity. Read the role play and answer. First question, what is their new class? Second one, who are the friends in grade 6A? Third one, which friend is not in grade 6A? Fourth one, what are Vishmi and Raj doing? Last question, write down a list of things you would do on your first day in a new class. Children, now let's see the meaning of these questions. First one, what is their new class? උන්ගේ අලුත් පන්තිය කුමක්ද? Can you tell me the answer? What is the answer? The answer is their new class is grade 6A. Second one, who are the friends in grade 6A? අය A පන්තියේ ඉන්න යාළුවෝ කවුද කියලා අහන්නේ. What is the answer? Is not in grade 6A. අය A පන්තියේ නැති යාළුවා කවුද කියලා අහන්නේ. The answer is Arcade. Fourth one, what are Vishmi and Raj doing? Raj සහ Vishmi මොකද කරන්නේ කියලා අහන්නේ. The answer is they are arranging the class. Last one, write down a list of things you would do on your first day in a new class. ඔයා ඔයාගේ අලුත් පන්තිය දවසේ කරපු දේවල් ලිස්ට් එකක් ලියන්න තියෙනවා. Right. Now let's answer the question. The answers are I will sweep the classroom. I will sweep the classroom. I will clean the blackboard. I will clean the blackboard. I will make a new cleaning chart. Right, these are the answers.